To get started on any video project with Adobe Express, click the Make a Video button or go to the plus symbol on the top left, select Video and choose your preferred video resolution.
For this tutorial, we will be demonstrating with a full high-definition widescreen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. You may get some new feature and tutorial pop-ups appearing on your screen. Feel free to close them while doing this tutorial.
Assuming you have already scripted your dialogue, you can start selecting which animated character you'd like to work with. This involves selecting the Media tool on the left, choosing the Videos or Audio tab, and selecting the Animate Characters button. Note that there are a wide range of characters to choose from, and you can select from a range of categories such as New Characters, All People, Young People, Professional People, etc.
You'll find me, Milton, in the Creatures category.
Thanks, Milton. Once you've selected your character, there are a wide range of built-in backgrounds that you could use. You can choose a color as a background. You can upload your own background image, but in this tutorial, I'm going to recommend that you select a transparent background so that you can add video or still backgrounds later as you build your video story. There are a number of resolution options you can select depending on the type of video story you're making. Because you are using a transparent background and you have already previously selected a widescreen resolution, it doesn't really matter what you select at this stage, but I would recommend choosing the YouTube landscape option to match the 1920 by 1080 full high def resolution.
Now you're ready to start a recording.
That's right, Chloe. Before you click the record button, I recommend you activate the Enhance Speech option. This will add some filters to help reduce the extra noise around you and help make it sound like you're in a recording studio. Let's do a recording of one of the characters in Adobe Express called Gwyneth. When I hit the record button, it should give me 3 seconds before I start. Hi, I'm Gwyneth, one of the amazing characters in Adobe Express. Did you notice the flashing blue frame around the character? This indicates that the recording is working. If you don't see the flashing frame while you are recording, you may need to check that your microphone is not muted or that your microphone is actually connected to your browser. Now that you've done the recording, the AI built into Adobe Express goes into action to add the lip syncing and a few gestures. My recommendation is to keep each recording short and to the point. Adding multiple short pieces of scripted dialogue makes for a more interesting and effective story. When the AI has done its thing, a play button will appear over the character so you can test the recording.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth, one of the amazing characters in Adobe Express.
If you're happy with it, keep it. If not, delete the recording from the scene. Then repeat the whole recording process until you're happy with the result.